Hi, welcome to Five Mantra. This is BL and Reddy. We are going to discuss about user-defined functions. It is a very important task. Now, how to define a function? Second point is function definition. Function definition. This function definition explain to the compiler what I am going to implement. Means here in this function definition I'll give the instruction list to complete my task. Okay, and how to do this one, that we are going to explain. And here will depend on syntax. First I'll write the syntax. Okay, return type, function name, argument list. This is the code block, and this code block must be end with the open and closed curly bracket. If you don't have this, your function body will not be defined, and this we called as a function body. This block we called as a function body, and this is the function name, this is the return type and argument list. Okay, with the example we'll get clear idea how to do this one. Here I want to do the addition function. Now my addition function return type is integer. Next my function name is add, and here I need two integer variable. One is a, another one is b. Just I am assuming, and here I have to provide int c equal to 0, then c equal to a plus b, then return C. This is the code we have. Now, if you understand how we return this function definition, this is nothing but a return type, and this one we called as a function name. Okay, this is the function name, and next one, these are the argument list. Like, okay, and it is not ended with the semicolon. That is important point, and this we called as a function body, and it is enclosed in a open and close bracket. Okay, without this curly bracket you cannot define the block of the code, and this we called as a function definition. Now we completed prototype declaration and function definition. Once prototype declaration, function definition is over, and how to call this function, that is a very important task, right? Already I explained what resources are needed with the help of prototype declaration. I defined with the help of function definition what task I am going to implement. Now I have to call, and that we are going to do right now. Now how to call a function. So syntax for function calling is function name, and this is the function name, open, and arguments, then close. It must be end with the semicolon. Remember this is the important one, and here you must provide a semicolon. And this is the syntax for the function calling. Whenever you want to call a function, first of all you must call function name. Okay, and function name is having some input, right? That input you will provide here. This we called as a input. Okay, and it must be end with the semicolon. Three important things you have to concentrate. First point is function name you can call inside the another function, and the function have a some argument list, means input you have to send, and it must be end with the semicolon. And entire program, in entire program only one function definition will be exist, and more than one time you can call the function. Okay, this is the syntax. Okay, and now I want to explain with my example. Now I want to do the addition. Okay, my function name is add, and I need to add 2 comma 3, this is the semicolon over, and the return type is integer, so int c equal to, this is right. Okay, what it will do is my function will be executed in this direction. It will take 3 value, 3 value will be copied into B, and A value will be copied into A, 2 value will be copied into A, and 2 value will be copied into A, and 3 value will be copied into B. Now, after completion of this task, the C value will be given and copied into C, into the main function, and this you must call one function call in another function only. You cannot call independently. That we are going to discuss. So I'll explain this one with the programmatically. See that. Now I want to do the addition of two numbers, like return type is integer. Now my function name is add. Now I need to send two values. One is the integer, another one is the integer semicolon. It is called as a prototype declaration. Prototype declaration. Next, once a prototype declaration is over, then my compiler get to know that what resources are required. I have. Now I need to give int result. This is the equal to 0. Result I want to save into this. Now I will call add. Okay, add. Now what value I want to give? 12 comma 34 directly I am giving, and semicolon. It's over. Just it is called as a function calling. This is a function calling. It is over. Next, once function calling is over, but it returns some data, right? So you said that there is the integer type is required, right? So then whenever it is giving the value, that value has to save somewhere. So because of that, I am giving result equal to add 12 comma 34. That value will be saved into the result variable. Already that value is 0. Now the value will be changed. Now this one I want to save in, I want to print result is, so that is the integer value. So I'll go with the integer %d comma, where it is, that is available in a result variable over. Okay, result variable. Now declared a prototype declaration and a function calling is over. Now I want to define a function. Whenever you want to define a function, that function you must define outside only. Okay, return 0. This is the main function. Already I defined a function, main function. Same way I have to define my add function. See that my add function return type is integer, my function name is add. Next I need one integer a comma, another integer b, because whatever the value I am sending, that is a 12 will be saved into a 34 will be saved into b. Once values are saved, now I want to see the result int c semicolon. Okay, I don't know what is the value it is, but better practice is give the default values. That is a good one. Next up, c equal to a, next plus operator, yes, plus b, right? A plus b I have to give. Once a plus b is over, now my task is completed, but I have to send the value to my main function. So I'll go with the return is the one jump statement I have. Once again we'll discuss this return statement in other video. Please go through with that video and you will get. Okay, and if you don't have not find, please give the comment and we'll share the link also, right? Okay, return c, this value will be copied into result. Okay, that we'll see right now. Now if you see that result is 46, right? Now I want to do addition of another number. So simply what you will do is, See here I will give another values like which value you want, like 2 plus 3 you want. Yes, you can get it. Like see, one time I'll implement and many times I'll execute. Now I'll execute with the F7, then you will get to know what is the use of the function. Okay, one time I'll use and many times one time I'll define, many time I'll use. Okay, how it will be, just check it. So I'm using a F7 button, see that. Now int main result, and next once the CLR SCR is over and it requests the addition of two numbers, then it is jumping into this, it is implemented the task 1 2 3, jump to main function. It is completed, that value is saved into this. If you want to get it, that see that window, output window, we know that, watch. Okay, there is no variable, it is. So I need to add, how to add? So control F7 is the one important one, otherwise you can go with this. Okay, what is the value? The variable is result, right? Now what is the result? It is 46. 12 plus 34, that result is 46, right? Now I'll go with the F7, continue with the F7 over get ch. Okay, next once again I'm calling result. Okay, result. Okay, add, see that where it is. All right, F7. Okay, already it is jumped into the code block of the addition function. Next, c equal to 0, c equal to a plus b, return c, jump, and now result. Now if you see the watch window, you will get to know that what is the value it is. That is 2 plus 3 is the 5. 5 value will be printed here, see that. Okay, now yes. Okay, in this way my code will be executed. Okay, this is the very important concept in a C language. Okay, and we'll come with the another example using functions in a better way. Just follow our videos and channel 5mantra.com, and if you have any queries, please give a comment, and if you want new videos or new technologies, please leave the comments and we'll get the video for your requirement. Okay, thank you.